In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about uninstalling programs or applications on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings. Best result, go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select apps on the left panel. On the right side, select installed apps, and then locate whatever application you want to remove on the right, select the three-dotted icon next to it, and then select uninstall, follow through with the on-screen wizard to complete the process, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.